Hello, all. So, I just wanted to make a very quick um, video on my card face update. So, on that same day, which was like a couple of days ago, that I kind of solved why dynamic material instances didn't work for me, I did actually end up going back to the AI chatbots and figuring it out. So, let me see if I can show you that. This is just what I'm currently working on. Is as you know, I have the greater insights. I was using that for testing, and now I'm adding the elements, the lesser insights like the Page of Ignis and Two of Aqua for and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm working on right now. But let me show you how I fixed it. Let me see. What is this? Okay, so instead of using BP Player Controller, I just moved everything to. I created a game instance blueprint, and I took it out of Player Controller because for some reason I couldn't access the data that I needed from the Player Controller, which is weird because that's one of the core game files. So I don't know. Oh, and another reason why I didn't update you guys on me fixing this earlier is because I got sick, and I'm still kind of sick. But anyways, yeah, for player controller is supposed to be one of the biggest, most important core game files, and yet it doesn't allow me to do certain things. So I figured out that uh, BP game or not BP game instance is another core game file that is more global, I guess you can say, and so it will allow me to access all of these information, all this data from wherever I want to access. For some reason, player controller, which is supposed to be, it doesn't. So I moved all of that. I took it out of player controller and I moved it all here. So where I took my data table, card data, and I cache it into this array. So now it works. And same here. I create 10, take 10 cards out of all of these cards here, the greater and lesser insights, and put it into a random integer, and it will randomly give me 10 cards and put it into chosen cards, right? And then from there, in the proc calls, I can randomly pick 6 out of these 10 and then place them into the world. Oh, right here. So the 6 here will randomly choose the cards right here, and it places it in. And the important part is that you pass the card ID right here. So out of the 6, you pass the card ID, and let me see if I can go back. I created 6 card IDs instead of you because I'm not a fan of loops and stuff like that. So, and since I'm only putting 6 cards in the game, it's easy to just create 6 variables, separate variables. All right. Instead of just using one card ID and then looping through it and having it save each card saved to that same ID, I didn't want that. So they are very specific. They have their own variable that they are going to be saved to. All right. So the important part is that you pass that card ID whenever you place the actual blueprint actor. In my case, this is the master, or the card master, which I call it cosmic card. And I don't have to pass the card. Well, yes, I do have to. Actually, that's what you need to pass. All right. So the again, card ID is the source of truth. So it will tell us that this card, whatever is placed during these 6 loops from 0 to 5, whatever 6 cards come out from this, each of them will be assigned their own card ID with their matching card face because they belong to one structure. So this card ID will match specifically with this card face image, right? So it goes to the cosmic card. Okay, let me see. I forgot to put these up. So there is an actual order of things. So right here, this is proc halls. This is the procedural generation of the halls and rooms. And you can see each of these lines is for each floor. So floor 1, deck 2, deck 3, deck 4, deck 5, deck 6, deck 7, deck 8, and then deck 0. And then after all of the hallways and rooms are generated from these in these floors procedurally, then and only then will I spawn the cards with this spawn actor node. Because then and only then will I have all of the information of where the rooms are. Occupied R is for rooms, occupied H is for hallways, and like H is hallway, and then occupied is just everything, hallways and rooms. But I just want specifically rooms because that's the only place that I want to put the cards in. I don't want them in the middle of hallways or anything like that. So once I get all of this generated, then I can do this. And so this is where the cosmic card, I guess, pipeline begins. Then from here, we go to the actual cosmic card. And again, it has to pass that right here. Make sure you put expos on spawn so that in here you can see it. And from here, you can pass the card ID to the cosmic card, the specific cosmic card that was placed at whatever index this for loop is at, right? So if it's at 0, it's going to place the cosmic card, and that specific cosmic card will have a specific card ID and card face assigned or attached to it. Okay, so from there, then we can finally move on. Oh, my bad. So from the card face and the card ID, it is saved into the cosmic card blueprint. And then from there, we pass that back to, I created a custom event called add card to inventory, and we pass it back to the game instance. So that now the game instance again is like a global core game file. So now it knows everything. It knows what card was placed and what the card ID of that card is now because I passed it incoming card ID from the actual cosmic card blueprint now to save to the game instance. Okay. And then it has all of this here. I save it in their own respective sort of variable. All 6 of the ones that were chosen from they were chosen from the card ID, chosen card ID. Okay, so now that the game instance has a copy of the information and it's saved all of it into here, into these variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I can finally go to the UI, the inventory UI, and pass that card ID. So in this case, let me go to the very top. Card ID 1 will be passed to slot 1. card ID 2. So whatever is in card ID 2, let's say it's the world, which is 21. 21 will be passed here, and then it will, the card data already knows that 21, if we go up to 21, right here, card ID 21, then we know that is the world. And then it will pass the world material instance here, and that's pretty much it. Which is, say, oh no, wait. So passing the card ID, which is 21, will tell card data array what the name of the card is and the icon image, what it should be. Okay, so let me see if I can test that really quick. And that was pretty much it on how I got everything to work, finally how I wanted it to work. Oh. That was a monster. Let me see if I... Darn it. So, see if I can go. Ah! No! I thought he was on the other side of the other side, not the side that I was heading to. Ah, all right. I'm gonna have to do this again. Wasn't expecting that. I thought he was on. I really thought he was on the other side of the what is it? The hallway. All right, so. Oh, darn it. So this monster now. But I'm going this way. Maybe I'll go this way. Please tell me I'm at the right spot. Yes, okay. So I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna try to test it out. Sheesh, where is this monster? He better not be down here. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's one card there. Let me see. Is there a card in here? No. Sometimes there's cards in there. Alright. Okay, and that's... okay, so I got the... Hurry up. 4 of Ignis here. And so, let me... pick it up, and it... Oh, 9 of Ignis. And when I pick it up, it should say in the top left, 9 of Ignis. And there we go, 9 of Ignis. Okay. And... anyways, that was what I was working on earlier, is the, updating the material function so that the card face bounces with the rest of the card, the card edge and the card back. Right now it's not, it's just stationary, and that's why when I picked up the 9 of Ignis it didn't look right. The card face was just static, it was still, while the rest of the card back and the card edge was bouncing. Alright, so... oh, darn it. I don't even know where this card is, so I'm just gonna keep running. See, this way? Yes, this way. Oh, here's another one. Okay. once I do this, uh-oh, I don't know. Okay, so this is Ace of Aqua. Again, it's not updated, so you can see the card back and the card edge are bouncing and spinning around and animated, while the card face is static because I didn't update it, but I'm about to do that right now. So we got Ace of Aqua, 9 of Ignis, and I'm gonna run. I don't think, I don't know where any other cards are. So. But that's about it. It's working now. That's exactly what I wanted, for the seeker to be able to see what card they are looking at in the 3D world, and then when they pick it up, it should match exactly what card they pick up. Oh, okay. But the icon name and the icon image in the inventory should match exactly the card that they are picking up from the 3D world. And that's it. That's pretty much the update. I did get it fixed the same day that I was flipping tables and cursing and cussing on the rooftops. I just asked the AI chatbots, and yeah, there was a specific order to it. So after I get all the information of the hallways and the rooms, then I spawn the cards here, so that uh, it ensures that it spawns inside of a room, not just randomly all over the place. But at the same time, that is where I need to pass the information. So I really didn't need the card face. All you really need to do is pass the card ID, but I don't know, I just kept it. And then from there, you go to the actual blueprint actor, in this case the cosmic card, and then you pass it from that cosmic card, because that's where it's being saved to the actual global core game file, which in this case I'm using game instance. The AI chatbots did say that I could use game state, and that one is good for multiplayer and like replicating stuff, so I could have done that, but I just ended up going with game instance because this one is good across different rifts and different levels. The only thing is I'd need to clear it every single time. So I'd need to reset the trial data every single time back to 0. Or else whenever they open a new rift, the seeker goes to a new rift, all of that, the previous cards will still be in their inventory, which we don't want that. So anyways, after the cosmic card saves the card ID and it passes it to the game instance, then from there we can go to the inventory UI widget and ask the game instance what card ID it was, so that we know what card icon image and icon name it should be, so that it matches exactly whatever was picked up from the 3D world at that moment. And that's it. And so what I'm doing right now is adding the material bounce to each of it. So now they should, okay, after you make any changes, you hit apply, and you just go down the row, adding it. Again, if you don't know how I did the bounce thing, go watch my YouTube video where I think it's titled World Position Offset, and that's how I did the bounce. So now, let me go. Oops. You know what? After you save, you should just close it. Once it's all done. Save. Apply and save. That's it. Apply. Save. Whoops. Apply there. Save. Whoops. I keep forgetting to close it. Don't need it open anymore. Apply. Save. Okay, add the bounce. Apply it. Save it. Close. Add the bounce to that image. Apply it. Save. You have to apply it so that it can also affect the material instance or update the material instance as well. So, like, what was that? C29? So you can see all of these moving. This one's not moving yet because I didn't apply the MF bounce to the material function to it. But these ones I just did, and that's why they're spinning now. They're bouncing, they're animating, I should say. What is going on with this one? Did it not? Bum, bum, bum. Right now it is moving. Okay, these are good. Okay, so 29. What is this? Don't need it. Open. Don't need this open. Alright, so just move this here. Add to the world position offset. Apply. Close. Yeah, I don't know why I got sick, but now that I'm kind of getting over the sickness, realize you really, really need to take your liquids or drink a lot of clear liquids like water. So I got like an itchy throat, and then it just spiraled into a full-blown sickness. I was sick for a couple days. But I have to drink water. Right. So I got this one here. Save that. Close it. Oops. Position offset. Apply. Save. Maybe I'll just save all instead. Okay, so there. That's pretty much it. I only did Ignis and Aqua. I'm starting Aria. So Ace of Aria. And then the last one will be Terra. Like King of Terra and all that kind of stuff. But, I think. You see, did I save it? Oh, it's already here. Don't need to add that then. Apply. Save it. Close that. And alright, go back. And apply. Let's save all. Okay. We can close this now. Move this one here. Queen of Ignis. Apply. Save it. Oh wait, I'm gonna just use save all instead. Then close. King of Ignis. Ace of Aqua. And that was Ace of Aqua. Let me close this and this. Close that. And so Ace of Aqua, I went all the way down to Ace of Aria. So let me do all of that. So now all of these have their... Oh wait, no. They already did have those. No. Okay, here. So these are all animating now. They're not static anymore. Animated at... oh. Yikes. I'm still coughing. Alright, so... Well, if that's the case, I'm going to open this one up then. That's where I need to add... Alright, there, 3, 4 of Aqua, 5 of Aqua, 6 of Aqua, 7 of Aqua, 8 of Aqua, 9 of Aqua, 10 Aqua, Page of Aqua, Knight of Aqua, Queen of Aqua, and King of Aqua. And then I did the Ace of Aria. And that's it for now. No, I can do more. No, I'll just stop right here. And go back. Materials. Say that here. Apply. Save all. Close. Apply. So connect to world position offset. Save all. And close. Apply. I didn't have it when I first created these files. I didn't already have bounce in there, so that's why I'm putting it in individually right now. Otherwise, it's easier just to create it one time and then duplicate it from there with the bounce in it. But I didn't have it that way, so I have to add the bounce later. Oh, save all. Delete this one. Move that there. Apply. Save all. Apply. Save all. Apply. Save all. Close. Save all. Close. Apply. Save all. Close. This one here. Whoops. Go here instead. Apply. Save all. Close. Apply. Save all. Close. Apply. Oops. Save all. Close. Apply. Save all. Close. The last two. The rest I can just do on my own. Save all. Close. Save, apply, save all, close, recompile, and rebuild. Don't need to rebuild, but I like to. Oh yeah, you kind of have to rebuild just because. Make sure you recompile everything, because I packaged the project, and when I tested it, some of the riffs didn't work. Then I had to go back in and recompile everything, and then repackage the project. Alright, so let me try to test this. Hopefully, what do we get? We get Page of Ignis, 2 of Ignis, the Tower, Aqua, Queen of Ignis. Okay, so a much more variety of cards now, rather than just the Greater Insights. And the cards are spread out all over the place, darn it. Yeah, this guy's stomping around. I don't, yeah, you see, he heard me. Let's see if I can go this way. Am I going to go this way? Darn it. I need to go the other way. I need to hurry. Only because I'm still sick and I need to go. Drink a lot of water. And when you drink a lot of water, you're gonna have to go to the bathroom soon. So, let me finish this up, finish this test, and so I can hear him stomping, but it sounds like he's behind me, so I should be good. Where is the... Okay, there's no cards here, unfortunately. I'll go here. Should be stairs, yeah, okay. So I can go in here. No cards in here. And go here. Where? If he's nearby. Yes, as you can see, 9 of Aqua. Now the card face is bouncing and spinning just like the card back and the card edges. So that's what we wanted. And good. And when we pick it up, it also says 9 of Aqua. So that's correct. I feel like he's there somewhere. I mean, it sounds like he's there somewhere. Now it sounds like he's around here somewhere. On that side. Don't know if I want to go down that way. Oh, okay. He's probably above. Oh, here's one. Is it? Alright, it's the 2 of Ignis, and it's bouncing and spinning, just like the card back. Okay, so that's good. 3 of Ignis, my bad, not 2 of Ignis. 3 of Ignis. Oh! I didn't know he was right there. Dang it. Wow. Card added to game instance. Guess I can turn that print string off now. Yeah, so it's been working, and I just wanted to document that, how I did it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I need to go back to stop being sick, or working on getting rid of this illness. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Whoops, wrong song. This one here. Alright. Catch you guys later. Bye!